Okay, Joe and Joyce. This is Kensington Hills neighborhood. Two-car garage. Oh, this is the house. Two-car garage. That's the entrance to the backyard there. The attic entrance is in the garage up there. We'll come back to that door in just a minute. Red maple tree. Beautiful in the fall. Flower beds. So you enter the house here. Immediately to your left is the formal dining area. It's got a few boxes and stuff in it. Sorry, we're moving. And then immediately to your right is the office. Sorry, some boxes in there. The window is the one that faces north. So it's got all your cable and everything hookups in there. The living room area. The fireplace in the corner. The eating kitchen is in the back here, and here is the kitchen. We back up. So we'll go see the other rooms, and then we'll end at the master. This is the laundry room that leads out into the garage that we just saw. And then this is the guest bathroom. Oh, by the way, the house has granite countertops throughout. This is bedroom number 1, painted for Kylie, so it's pink. You're welcome to repaint if needed. Each of the bedrooms has the closet with the door in it and shelving built in. Bedroom number 2, same size. It's about 11 by 11 with the closet with shelving in it. Sorry, more boxes getting ready to move. And then the last bedroom is our guest slash playroom, so it's a little messy right now. This is the biggest of the bedrooms besides the master. It's about 14 by 12 and a half, I believe. It also has the biggest closet of these bedrooms. So the closet goes back in there. And it also goes back in there quite a bit. So now we'll go to the other side of the house. Where the master bedroom is. So it's down this hallway. It's got the tray ceilings and this fan. So this is obviously the biggest bedroom in the house, about 15 by 13, 15 by 13 and a half or something like that. So it's a queen size. Let me back up. That's a queen size bed to give you an idea of the size of it. And then here is the master bath, which you've seen some pictures of. Got the 2 sinks with the granite countertops, the jacuzzi tub, and walk-in shower. It's got a toilet room here separate by itself. And then the walk-in closet. Sorry, kind of an idea here, and it kind of wraps around, so there's lots of room, built-in shelving and everything. We'll go outside so you can see the backyard, and that'll pretty much be it. So this patio we had custom made for our house. It's concrete with a brick border. Let me get back so you can kind of get a picture of it. Get an idea of how big it is. This is the backyard, not real deep, big enough for the grandkids to come and run around in. Big enough for a little pool. And these flower beds we had put in, so. And that's the other side of the gate that we saw when we started. That's the gate entrance to the backyard. And then on this side, I was talking to Jason about these garden boxes we had made. That they can stay or they can go. So I've got some wood piled up over here. These 3 garden boxes are they're 4x4. They don't have anything in them right now. We've got a few strawberry plants, but we just did some herbs and some lettuce and a few things in them last year. So we can either take those out and get rid of them, or we can leave them and you can use them if you like. So it's up to you. So that is the house, and let me know if you have any questions.